Hello, good morning, students. We start the chapter climate, and today's topic is advancing monsoon, the rainy season. By early June, the low pressure condition over the northern plain intensifies. It attracts the trade winds of southern hemisphere. These southeast trade winds originate over the warm subtropical area of southern ocean. They cross the equator and blow in southern westerly direction, entering the Indian peninsula as a southwest monsoon. As these winds blow over the warm ocean, they bring abundant moisture to the subcontinent. These winds are strong and blow at an average velocity of 30 km per hour. With the exception of the extreme northwest, the monsoon winds cover the country in about a month. The inflow southwest monsoon in India bring what a total change in the weather. Early in the season, the windward sides of Western Ghats receive very heavy rainfall, more than 250 cm. The Deccan Plateau and part of Madhya Pradesh also receive small amount of rainfall in spite of lying in the rain shadow area. The maximum rainfall of this season is received in northeastern part of country. Masnamar in the southern range of Khasi Hill receive the highest average rainfall in the world. Rainfall in the Ganga Valley decreased from east to west. Rajasthan and part of Gujarat get scanty rainfall. Another phenomena associated with the monsoon is its tendency to have break in rainfall, though it has wet and dry spell. In other words, the monsoon rain takes place only for a few days at a time. They are interspersed with rainless interval. This break in monsoon are related to movement of monsoon through. For various seasons, the throw and axis keep on moving northward or southward, which determine the subset distribution of rainfall, which when the axis of monsoon trough lies over the plain, rainfall is good in this on part. On the other hand, whenever the axis shift closer to the Himalaya, जब closer होगा हिमालय के, there are longer dry spell in the plain and widespread rainfall. Rains occur in mountains, catchment area of the Himalaya river. This heavy rainfall bring in their wake devastating flood, causing damage to life and property in the plain. The frequency and intensity of tropical depression to determine the amount and duration of monsoon rain. This depression form at the head of the Bay of Bengal and cross over to the mainland. The depression follow the axis of the monsoon trough of low pressure. मानसून इज नोन एज इट्स अनसर्टेनिटी फॉर इट्स अनसर्टेनिटी, कहीं ज़्यादा है कहीं कम है. ठीक है. द अल्टरनेशन ऑफ ड्राई एंड वेट स्पेल्स वेरी इंटेंसिटी frequency and duration. While it causes heavy flood in one part, it may be responsible for drought in other. It is often irregular in its interval and its retreat. Hence, it sometimes distributes the farming schedule. Millions of farmers all over the country. रिट्राइंग पोस्ट मानसून द ट्रांजिशन सीजन, इस तरीके से देखिए रिट्राइटिंग मानसून. ड्यूरिंग अक्टूबर नवंबर विद द apparent movement of sun towards the south, the monsoon trough or the low pressure trough over the northern plains become weaker. This is gradual replacement of high pressure system. Southwest monsoon wind weaken and start withdrawing gradually. By the beginning of October, the monsoon withdraws from the northern plain. The month of October November form a period of transition from hot rainy season to dry winter condition. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear sky and rise in the temperature. While day temperature are high, night are cool and pleasant. The land is still moist. Owing to the condition of high temperature and humidity, the weather rather oppressive during the day. This is commonly known as October. The mercury began to fall rapidly in northern India. Low pressure condition over northwestern India get transferred to the Bay of Bengal by early November. This shift is associated with the occurrence of cyclonic depression which originate over the Andaman Sea. This cyclone generally crosses the east coast of India are heavy and widespread rain. These tropical cyclones are often very destructive. The thickly populated delta of Godavari, the Krishna and Kaveri are frequently struck by cyclone which cause great damage to life and property. बहुत सारी life और property पे क्या damage हुआ है. Sometimes this cyclone arrives at the coast of Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh. The bulk of rainfall of Cardamom coast is derived from depression and cyclone से भी यहाँ पर क्या है रेन अच्छी साइक्लोन और ये सब से भी लाइफ को अच्छा खासा लॉस हुआ है. अब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रेनफॉल देखिए. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो है कहीं ज़्यादा है कहीं कम है. पार्ट ऑफ वेस्टर्न कोस्ट एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया रिसीव ओवर अबाउट 400 centimeter of rainfall annually. However, it less than 60 centimeter western Rajasthan and adjoining part of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. Rainfall is equally low in the interior of Deccan Plateau and eastern of Saharas. Why does this region receive low rainfall? A third area of low precipitation is around Leh in Jammu and Kashmir. The rest of country receive moderate rainfall. Snowfall is restricted to the Himalaya region. Owing to the nature of monsoon, the annual rainfall is highly variable from year to year. Variability is high in the region of low rainfall, such as the part of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and leeward side of Western Ghat. As such, while areas of high rainfall are liable to be affected by flood, areas of low rainfall are drought-proof. इस तरीके से क्या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो है कहीं ज़्यादा है कहीं कम है. अब देखिए फिगर 4.6 और 4.7 देखिए. आपको बता रहा है ना सीजनल रेनफॉल जून टू सितंबर और एनुअल रेनफॉल बता रहा है आपको उस फिगर कि कहाँ ज़्यादा है. ठीक है, इस डायग्राम को अच्छे से देख लेना भी. एनुअल रेनफॉल और सीजनल रेनफॉल कैसे कैसे मतलब कहाँ कहाँ ज़्यादा और कहाँ कम हो रही है. ठीक है, अब देखिए मानसून एज ए यूनिफाइंग बॉन्ड कैसे कहा गया है. यूनिफाइंग बॉन्ड मतलब कैसे हमको एक जैसे बांधा हुआ कैसे है मानसून में. ठीक है, देखिए यू हैव already know the way of Himalaya protect the subcontinent from extreme cold winds from Central Asia. This enable North India to have uniform higher temperature compared to other area on the same latitude. Similarly, the peninsular plateau under the influence of AC from this three side has moderate temperature despite such moderating influence. These are great variation in the temperature condition. Nevertheless, the unifying influence of monsoon on the Indian subcontinent is quite precipitation. The seasonal alteration of wind system and the associated weather condition provide a rhythmic cycle of season. Even the uncertainties of rain and uneven distribution देखिए are very much typical of monsoon. The Indian landscape, its animal and plant life, its entire agricultural calendar and the life of people including their festival revolves around this phenomenon. Year after year, people of India from north to south and from east to west eagerly await the arrival of monsoon. This monsoon winds find the whole country by providing water to set the agriculture activities in motion. The river valley which carry this water also unite as a single river valley unit. इस तरीके से क्या हमको बाउंड करके रखता है, यूनाइट करता है मानसून. हम कह सकते हैं मानसून क्या है, यूनिफाइंग बॉन्ड है. थैंक यू बच्चों, ये कंप्लीट हो गया चैप्टर. आगे अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर देखेंगे. थैंक यू.